Hi, my name is Curtis Harrell. I'm a financial advisor here with Advantage Retirement Group, and today I want to talk about fees, right? You know, if clients come in all the time and say, hey Kurt, I'm currently not getting charged. I have a variable annuity, I have these mutual funds, I have these ETFs. I don't see any of these charges on my statements. And I always say, come in, let me see, and we run what's called an expense fee report for you, and it'll show you all these hidden fees. With mutual funds, there's commissions. They can be front-loaded, they can be back-loaded, and there's annual expense ratios in those mutual funds that you're getting charged every year that you might see. Same thing with these ETFs. You know, a lot of people are very excited about these ETFs. Yes, they are lower cost, but you're still getting charged a fee. And if you're thinking, hey, I don't want to work with a financial advisor like us because we charge a flat rate fee, this is a way to say, hey, maybe we're paying a little bit more for our services, but I get an actual person that I get to sit down and talk to every single day, every month, every quarter. I can ask questions to. That's our touch compared to some of these different funds. If that's something you're interested in, please give us a call here at Advantage Retirement Group.